'cause you're lying. What we do here is so discreet. If you ask me, I know my answer. Something on my dick, I know she like it 'cause you